If you're working with a low budget and can't afford expensive influencers, let me introduce you to an amazing tool that can help you professionally promote your products. It's called topview.ai. Just open your browser and type topview.ai. The website will open instantly. If you're on a tight budget, click Get Started Free, then click Continue with Google and sign up using your email. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard like this. Now click on the Product Avatar section. Here you'll find many templates for different product types. Choose one that suits your product. For this example, I'll select a jewelry template. Below you'll see lots of avatars. Just make sure to select one without the crown symbol because those are free to use. Now that I've selected my avatar, I'll upload the product image here and adjust it slightly to fit. Then hit generate, and within 1-2 minutes, your product avatar image will be ready. For that, click on create a video avatar, and now you can generate a full talking video. Just go to my script, paste your custom script, and generate your video. Here's an example of what it could look like.
Do you see this bracelet? My fiance gifted it to me, and honestly, the moment I saw it, I was in love. I wore it to a special.
So that's how you can create powerful product videos using topview.ai without spending a fortune on influencers or production. Try it today and take your product marketing to the next level, even on a low budget.